time off to just sort out everything. Be sure you have the time, and you come back when you're charged ready for duty. Enjoy your time. Thank you. And colleagues.
Thank you very much. Mr. Don Wanyama would say, the manager of Anthony. He's the managing editor at Daily Monitor and is leading his team. His message is, Anthony is a calm guy. Indeed he is. Calm and committed. Indeed he is. And he has said, take off time and go and do hard work. Come fresh with more babies so that you can resume your duties without any more worries. Thank you very much, Daily Monitor, for being a family. Your presence during this occasion means you are indeed a good working place. And given the fact that the big man himself takes time to come and attend a function of somebody way below him, means that the management is concerned about its staff. At this moment, we're told that no, talking may not be good. I want to give one more task to Anthony and Eunice. And in Lumasaba, Charles, you say, Eunice, you need to deliver a cake to home people from Ntungamo. And Anthony, you need to deliver a cake to Mbale before we continue talking. Please, DJ, give us the appropriate music as these people move out to give out the cake to the parents on both sides. Eunice, you are taking it. Giving the cake to some guests before they sit down. And Charles, can you quickly read the guests one by one? The few we can, then we proceed with our speeches.
The next person to get cake will be Mzee Peter.
Peter open cake. That is it. That is the only man. Yes, Charles, perform your duties.
The next person, Usha Raparange Matthias.
Is it Usha? Yes. No. Thank you for giving us such a beautiful lady. That is a sign of many more cakes to come.
Manyana. very much. Yeah, the next is
Thank you very much for giving us a beautiful woman.
very beautiful indeed.
That cake is just a sign of many more things to come.
Yeah. Let's have a team from the Daily Monitor.
Oh wow. The next cake goes to the Daily Monitor.
Monitor, thank you very much. Monitor, thank you very much. You came from Paris.
That's how we do it.
Yeah. Hey, Chris, you're doing it.
That's how we do it. Hey, that's how we do it.
Wonderful. Yeah. Hey, Chris, you're flexible. You're flexible. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, there she comes. Yeah, good. Yeah, little bit of dance. Little bit of dance. Yeah. Where I come, yes, Dr. Chris Makanga.
Dr. Chris Makanga, not Obore. Yes, Dr. Chris.
Dr. Chris.
Yes, doctor is coming.
Yeah.
Yes, doctor is coming.
Hey, Dr. Makangas. Dr. Gozu. Doctor, thank you very much. Wow, thank you very much. That's a big job.
Doctor, I saw you stand behind there.
Yeah, there he comes. Yeah. Yeah, that is brother Wanya. Wanya Naku. Yeah. Last but not least, let's have the chairman organizing committee, Mr. Yunus Ntale. Mr. Yunus Ntale.
Yes. Thank you, DJ. DJ. Charles.
Yes, Chris.
More cake later.
Yeah, another cake shall be given
Play
later.
music so that the bride and groom go back.
Yeah, they are tired. They are
We don't
tired.
want to make them tired.
Yes,
We should be accused of sabotage.
exactly.
And there are too many lawyers in
I need the IGGs with us.
You don't want investigation to be open
No way.
against us. DJ.
I see a lovely face. Your cheeks like butter honey from a teacup. You take my breath away. You're pretty little thing that's so tender. The best is when you want to. Never must trust me with you. The very day you gave to me. My whole life became brand new. Because of you, oh baby, I see in your eyes. Oh baby,
We have said we are still giving out the cakes, but it's a commercial break, and we want to bring in people
Yes.
who have worked with Anthony. Then of us will conclude some speeches. And I have the honor to invite Mr. Sidney Asubo, Director Legal Services in the Inspectorate of Government, to come and give us his words of counsel.
It really sounds nice. Like my friend Chris has said, I will not talk about corruption. I will talk about Anthony, the man I know, and I also talk about family. I met Anthony, I think it's coming to 2 years ago. Both of us were in our different lines of duty. I was in my line of duty. He was also in his line of duty. And of course, the two lines of duty are quite distinct. But there's a point at which we merge. I do my work, he reports on it. How he reports on it is managed by his superiors at his publication. How I do mine is managed by my superiors at my workplace. The fact that I was able to accept his invitation means that I'm satisfied with his objectivity in his reporting.
Engalo!
Of course, that doesn't mean that I'm biased, or that because he reports quite nicely about us, then that's why we're here. No. It's because of the objectivity and the course of his work that we're here. I'm here with my colleague at work, our public relations officer. And of course, you see the two lines have quite something in common. Now, about family, I may not be so much qualified to advise on certain marital aspects because I'm yet to cross certain lines. But I do know that with commitment, in fact, it's good that it's called Don. Say that with Anthony, you don't have to really put in a lot of effort to like him, unlike Chris. You really need to put in effort to like him. So if that is the same spirit that he carries from to his home, so that it's an effortless thing for Eunice to like him, then it will be easy to sustain the marriage. And the reverse is also true. If also Eunice makes it so easy for Anthony to like her beyond today, then of course it will be easy, and the union. That's why the definition, I need to give it, the definition of a marriage is a Christian marriage, like this one, is the voluntary union of one man and one woman for life. There is not supposed to be second parties on either side, and it's supposed to be voluntary. And that voluntary aspect is supposed to continue, it's supposed to continue for as long as the marriage is still subsisting. So if you make it voluntary, no one compels the other to stay home, and there are no other parties that join from either side, then I think the union will be very successful, and it can be an example to the others to say that the institution of marriage is one that is good to join. Thank you very much. Before I depart, with the permission of the MC, allow us to extend our gifts to the couple.
You are allowed. Engalo. There was something good in Bukisland, and that's not the focus this night. Charles, where are you?
Yes, present.
Please, can you hand over that microphone to her worship Senga Margaret Mutonyi? Have you done so?
Yes.
Please, I've not heard her voice. Address us.
And my daughter, congratulations. We are very proud. As a singer, I'm very, very proud that you have got your rib. That was the missing part of you. I can't say much about Anthony, but all I can say is that I have found him that honest son, that committed worker, the person who knows his work very well. He reports about courts, what happens in courts, and I happen to work in court. I have never at any one moment disagreed with him, and yet it is not very easy to please people, who work in court. But if Anthony has succeeded in being that perfect reporter, then for sure, Eunice, be assured that you have got a perfect man. I just want you from today to add on your name and use this name as the first. When you want to call Eunice, call her love. When you want to call Anthony, call him love. That every moment you confess that word love, your love will last forever. And as you call each other love, I want you to know that the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Even in marriage, you need that wisdom. So the moment you fear the Lord in your marriage, for sure you will remain wise. None of you will be wiser than the other, but you will both be wise. And why should you be wise? To make sure that your relationship works out and that you remain love. Anthony, look at her and call her my love. And Eunice, look at him and say my love. I'm now baptizing you those names. Love, love. And that should be in your home. That should be when you're working. That should be when you're away. When you're away from each other because you're working, make sure that there's somebody called love in your life. And love for Eunice is Anthony. Love for Anthony is Eunice. May God bless you. May you bless us with the twins in Jesus' mighty name. Enjoy your marriage. Paka last. Sister, not taking the mic from me.
Yes, this pastor. At this point in time, I want to invite, because the Bamas have been speaking, and for me, I'm Nyankore. I want Mzee Gasha to come and address us. Mzee, these people think that the flower they have got is just a joking subject. You can even threaten to withdraw, but the law will not allow you. You're welcome, Mzee.
Right. Ladies and gentlemen, protocol observed. I just have a few comments to make about this wedding. That the wedding is godly because we have decided to make it to the Almighty who gives everything good. I also need to mention only one thing about my daughter, our daughter. Anthony, you are blessed. You are taking a girl that is still a child because she still has a lot of her parents. Starting with both grandmoms, they are here. The uncles are here. The aunts are here. Not the aunts we eat, but the aunties, for that matter. So, you are blessed. The brothers all have come along to bless the wedding of Eunice. Then my last word about this wedding is to say we as a family have fought a war, but a good war. And we have won with the help of the Almighty. So we wish the same to happen to Eunice with Anthony. May God bless you all. Thank you.
Wonderful, Mzee Gasha. I must say I'm humbled by your public speaking, to the point. I don't know what to say. Anthony, you know the kind of in-laws you have. They are not the Kwarako. The good thing, you're a calm man. You are not as cantankerous as Christopher. You will manage it. Somebody in the Mosaic has said, we have fought a good fight and we have got victory. But he is telling Bamasara, there are many more doves in Tungamu. Prepare your catapults and very good stones and just be good hunters. You will get the doves. Some of you have seen some men there, some lawyers behind there. They have been installing saliva. Go and make catapults. At this point in time, Charles, I think we need to proceed.
Exactly.
We have to catch up with the time.
That's true because it's rushing.
How do they say Eyalama in Lukis? Wanyalana.
Yes.
And in Yankore?
Yes.
Okay, so you have failed even the hunting. This one is catapult, they can't hit anything in Tungamu. He's not a good hunter. At this point in time, we want to invite Mama, Marcelina, Butala. Can you run there? You're a young man. Just run. Who told you to come this way? What's wrong with that microphone?
Mwanyala nabi umbenga bino kuganihaho eso mwana se Anthony Wesaka umukano nabi.
Yeah, she's saying she's trying to speak to his dearest beloved son, Anthony.
Umwana yuno nga ashiri mutini alwalataka nabi ngehumanyanga nyala wamamu omundu ta.
When Anthony was still yet a toddler, he used to be such a sickly son, and she didn't know he would be like he is today.
Nenga mubyo sifa nabi wele ukholera shino shekamakanga shikhulu nabi shesa okholele umwana wasoma bulayi mwana wafuna washe mwana muli khumukaniakho bilayi nabi nasima nabi khulwekhuba wahamba Yesu Kristu ng'omulokozi wewe namusimila nabi isho nabi khulwekhuba akhali khuba mu Yesu mbawo shilayi shinyala shabawo ta.
And she's saying she has to thank God the Almighty for having him all this far, and he also thanks Anton for being close to the Almighty God Jesus.
Senga mai wewe mbawe sinyana nao mwata mbawe sinyana nao horandi enatane akhali khulomandi akumise mu Yesu singa akumisile lalabyo buli shindu shinaze silayi nasima nabibo bosi basale balebe babekhalihile beza mona akhundu akhuleyi nasima nabi balebe befe bentunga mona khushili khutubana atwela tane nabasima ndi biburangisi yokukhetse atwela khumanyane.
And she's saying she thanks the team, the parents from Tungamo, for having traveled all this far to come for this function, and also accepting to give such a beautiful girl into her home, into her family. And we thank you very much for coming to, and also thank friends for such function.
Indira bikalita khali khulomandi kwasima nawe umukhana wefe khufukilila omwana Anthony khubatwela kwasima naye kwambasa khuliyomba tsingayo busawo bashina nenga khwasimile naye mwana ali wele naye shalelo wasilinga walumila lali batekwa khubatwela nafe khwawitnesingile nashila akhulelakho shemu khwawulilakho bashina ta babe mu Yesu bakumisila Yesu byosi binaba bilayi.
And she says that at first she thought it was a dream because the girl was so beautiful. But now, today, it has really made her confirm that is a reality. And she thanks you so much. And she's wishing you a very, very safe journey back in Tungamo and says thank you very much for coming. Team from Tungamo. Last speech.
I start by congratulating umwana wase Anthony n'umuhana wase Eunice. Runa urwesherero ngatsine ubura mu bwenywe bisabura mirera ngaruna kuru nabi